Hello everybody, welcome to Drunken Sailor Cocktails. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and this is the place where we're going to show you how to make what's probably going to be your next favorite cocktail. This is a cocktail that's going to bring in all the flavors of summertime, a beautiful floral bouquet, a little bit of spiciness to it, but it's a sour cocktail. It's a play on a gin sour. So join me as we make a cocktail called the Bellflower. Let's get pouring. We're going to mix this cocktail up in a shaker. This is a great cocktail because it's only got a few simple ingredients. We're using some Empress gin. It's got a beautiful color to it. We've got some Yellow Chartreuse, which has got a great flavor to it. It's herbaceous. It's a little bit of spice. Some really great flavors in there. We've got some fresh lemon juice to brighten it right up. And to top it off, an egg white that's going to give it a texture and smoothness that you're just going to love. We're going to start this cocktail off with 1.5 ounces of Empress gin. We're going to follow that up with some Yellow Chartreuse. And this is made by monks in the mountains. We're going to use 1/2 ounce. The next item going in the glass is going to be some freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're going to use 1/2 ounce, and we're using fresh because you've heard it before and you know it, that fresh is always best. 1/2 ounce. And if you notice, the color of the cocktail has now changed because we've added that lemon juice. The acid in there interacts with that butterfly pea flower coloring that's in the gin. Science at its best. Our last ingredient going in there is going to be 1 egg white. Now I know some people don't like the thought of a raw egg going in there. There are a couple different ways that you can get around that if you still want the foam. One of them is a product called Fee Brothers. And I haven't used it yet, I just got it. We're going to play with it a little bit later. But a couple dashes of this will go into the cocktail. And this will take the place of the egg white in the cocktail. If you're interested in get some and you can't find some in your local store, just take a look on our Amazon store and you'll find a link for it there. I'm using fresh egg. Fresh is best. 1 egg white in there. We're going to try something different with this shake. Traditionally, I do a dry shake before I do an ice shake. Well, I've gotten some feedback from people and they say try the ice shake first and then do the dry shake and you'll get a better foam. So let's experiment a little bit. Let's get some ice in there. Pop the top on it and let's shake this up. I've got a pretty good amount of foam in there now. What we're going to do is we're going to strain this back into a fresh shaker. We're going to get rid of the ice in there. And then we're going to give it our dry shake. And now the dry shake. And once again, a 10-second shake on that is more than enough. Well, we got a lot of foam in there. Let's see. We need our coupe, and we've got that chilling.